Here we're going to show installing the funnel and uninstalling the funnel. The way the funnel works, it has a little nylon bushing up front, the set screw on the bottom end that drives up into the bushing that pushes it into this little groove here on the frame that helps keep it all nice and snug. So to put it on, you'll just start in the back, and then you're going to have to just put a little pressure and hear it snap on. Now put your mainspring housing pin in, the longer of the pins. Drive that down into place. We're not going to show that. Yeah, might as well. First try. Then tighten your Allen wrench. Tighten your set screw with your Allen wrench. And once it's snug, your funnel's installed. Now to uninstall it, take the set screw. You don't have to take it all the way out, just take it out to, where it's visible at the bottom right there. Now you're going to drive out the mainspring housing retainer pin. Turn the frame upside down, and all you're going to do is with your thumbs just put a little pressure and it'll pop right off, just like that.